Here's how to sign up for a DigitalOcean account. Open your browser and go to the official DigitalOcean website. Double-check the address bar to confirm you are on the correct domain. Click Sign Up in the top right corner. You will be asked to acknowledge the terms of service and privacy policy before continuing to the registration options. You have 3 ways to register. Click Sign Up with Google to use your existing Google account. A secure window will open where you confirm the standard permissions and your profile is created instantly with no separate password needed. If you are a developer, click Sign Up with GitHub instead and authorize the connection in the pop-up window. Or select the email option, enter a valid email address, and create a strong, unique password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After submitting, watch for a confirmation message in your inbox and complete the verification step to protect your account. Once verified, your DigitalOcean account will be fully created and you can log into the control panel to start provisioning resources and exploring the dashboard. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.